Tip number 1, pictures together with kids. Have many pictures in general, don't settle for only 5. And have the pictures tell the story of who you are, your hobbies, your friends, and your family. And most importantly, of you together with kids. If someone else is able to take these pictures of you, that's great. Let's try to limit the selfies. Tip number 2, talk about your driving abilities. Having strong driving abilities is something that is very important for host families when they are looking for their new au pair. Tip number 3 is to have an extensive hobby section. The more interests that you are able to select, the better, and please try to write comments about them as well. Maybe there is an interest or a hobby that you would like to try when you arrive to the United States. Maybe there is something that you only do once per year. If you like movies, maybe tell us which one is your favorite. The more information we have in this section, the easier it will be for families to have something to remind you by.